We've either all been out on our first RV trip or we're about to. The excitement builds, you hit the road and it hits you like a pile of bricks. How do I drive this thing? Where does the water line go? Where does my power connection go? Where is it at the campground? Can I pull into that space or this space? There's so many questions when you're a first-time RVer. Let's take a look at 8 things not to do when you're out RVing and mistakes we see from experienced ones. Let's take a look. First on the list is don't tow with just any old truck hoping it'll work. Check your vehicle specifications to make sure that your tow vehicle perfectly matches the requirements of your RV. Second on the list is be sure to use wheel chocks no matter what type of RV you have. But if you have a travel trailer, fifth wheel, or a pop-up, it's absolutely required before you unhitch it from your tow vehicle. If you're on a slope, it's rolling away. Planning is absolutely critical when you're towing or driving an RV. What is normally a simple turnaround in your car is nowhere near the same scenario with your RV. Be sure to scout out parking lots or gas station in advance. You can use mapping software on your phone or from the main road, scout it out and make sure you have an easy path back out onto the road. RVing is all about exploring and adventure. However, state parks and RV resorts are more popular than ever. Make sure you book your spot before you head out. Up next is don't leave your black water tank open all the time. This can spell absolute disaster. Unless you're draining your tank, you want to leave the valve closed because what can happen is the liquids will flow through and drain, but the solids stay in your tank. I'll let your imagination run wild with what happens there. Up next on the list, don't leave your annoyingly bright RV lights on when you're parked at a campground. We've all been there. You've got the beautiful stars above and there's always that one RVer that leaves every single light on unnecessarily. Let's not do that. 7th on the list is don't push your water system to the limits. RVs, most of them are gonna have interior water systems and are susceptible to freezing. If you plan on taking your RV out into the cold, take some winterizing supplies with you just in case. This could save you from a burst pipe. Last on the list is don't leave your awning out unattended. Weather direction and strength can change just like that, and your RV could turn into a sail. Definitely close your awning before you leave. I've learned the hard way, so you don't have to. If you're an experienced RVer, what advice would you share? If you're brand new, what questions do you have? Leave them down in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.